Hey, cat milk. All right, Jack, let's try Iran from Turkey.
Yogurt. Yeah, the yogurt drink.
This is good. It tastes like yogurt a little bit. It is good. I fuck with it. Wait, cat milk. This is cat milk?
No, bro.
Whoa!
Put.
Bro, salt?
Bro, you need to put salt, bro. Please, bro.
Salt and...
Bro, trust me.
No.
Bro, trust me. Okay, now. You try now, bro.
Bro, I don't...
This is my traditional drink. I know how I drink.
It tastes nice.
Like ya. Beğenecek ben.
Oh.
Come
Okay.
on, bro.
Okay.